apologise, guys. I just knocked my phone off my bed and it seems it's got coronavirus. Yeah. It's in our phones as well, by the looks of it. Doing a good job, the old governments of the world. Anyway, and let's crack on with getting some more of this done. As I say, what can I say about the sound? I'm gonna have to get the old digital camera or something out. Guys, what we're dealing with is, by the looks, 4 13mm nuts. One there, one there. Same again on the other side. These are going to have to be took out. They've already been done finger tight. Them bolts there, sorry. So I'll crack on. You don't really want to see me undoing any nuts, do you? Guys, it's as I said, 4 nuts and the other 4 that were underneath the steering column. And there was a pin and a washer that was going through this onto the master cylinder. And same's going to be happening on the turbo, but on the opposite side. I've noticed it's there. That's what the bar's for. So the pedal presses that and it counteracts what it would do there, but it happens over here off the bar. Let's go and carry on with the rest of this and then we'll do the swap. I've undone 2 of the bolts already. 2 of the nuts have been taken off. I'm going to take these, and that's a plate there covering, which is going to accommodate for that. I'm presuming that will that plate go on that side? We'll figure it out when we get to taking it off the turbo. So keep watching, guys, and let's crack on. It's got a clip on it that was holding some pipes in place, which were unclipped. But one thing just to add as a tip for you guys, what I've been doing is putting nuts back to where I've took them from, like this, just so you don't lose things. Put clips in, anything you've took off, put back in place. Then when you go to put something back, you'll go, oh, that's in the way, oh, there it is, I need it. Carried away. I've took these nuts off. I've just took the pin out and the clip behind it, the washer, there they are. Boom! These bolt from the outside, so I'm going to go out from the outside. Am I being anal, or do you think I should clean this rust up and paint it, even though it's not seen? It's my car and it will bother me because I am OCD as FC UK. So the bracket goes down on this for support, I'm guessing. There's a bolt there on the outside in the engine bay. And there's one behind there, that's on the outside. This just has the 4, but they're from the outside, as I said earlier. So, and I've put a bit of black paint on it because it was rusty as FUCK. So, you know, it's going to do my head in. We've got a now, I'll just show you here. As you can see, I'm going to cut it out with a knife, the rest of it where the line goes, because that matches perfectly the shape that needs to be out, and the same as in the Mk1 Turbo. So I'm going to get on with doing that, fit it in, which will be the reverse of what I've shown you taking it out. So I'll be back soon. You don't even have to cut it, it just pulls out. It's like it's perforated. Look at that, the shape coming out, splendid. Oh, tremendous. No knives needed. Yep, great Mancunian weather ruined our fun, guys, but this is as far as I got. I managed to get the bracket underneath there bolted up so I can get that in. There's a hole there. I've got to put a riv nut in because there's a captive nut, so tomorrow I'll put that in so that can be bolted securely. That's going outside. I'm not going to touch none of that till the engine's going in. I've decided I'm going to put the shell on eBay now. I'm going to advertise it, and I'll probably throw this this box in tomorrow. but I would like to get those brackets off and welded so then I can get the dash off and then inside is done. Yes, anyway, have a good weekend, guys. Signing off. An important note, I keep forgetting to say, I'm trying to make the cheapest Uno Turbo. The cheapest. Build the cheapest. So, the car stands me at £350. The Uno Mk2 stands me at, what did I pay for that? £400. The guy wanted 700, but I got it for 400. It cost me around, I recovered both vehicles. I know the Uno cost me £80 in fuel, and the Mk2, that cost around £85 from Cheltenham. But yeah, I'm going to start giving you breakdowns of things because I've just listed everything on eBay, and what I'm trying to do is get money back of parts that I take from the vehicle or anything left. So I've only advertised the shell because a lot of people who do grass track racing in the past have said, oh, do you want to sell the shell? I'll buy the shell when you finish with it. So I thought I'll leave it rolling. If someone wins it on eBay, they can take it. If not, I'll throw it on my truck and I'll scrap it. But that's all this quick video was while it was on my mind. So again, have a good weekend, guys. See you in a bit.